Logio fi off. Pwy nath logo chdi? Fi? I dabble in Photoshop. Okay.
That's great. Are you playing alone or with your friends?
Are you playing alone? Of course. Of course. Signing on.
So it's just you, me, and the computer.
Let's go!
First bit, if you'd be so kind, please enter your name.
Ddim fi bod yn rwd, ond illa na I ddim gwrando ar y chat, cos gofyn da chi cheatio. Os dwi'n cael £1 million, de, os dwi'n cael y top prize, a dwi'n legit yn mynd i drio, os dwi'n cael £1 million, os dwi'n gweld rhywun yn y chat, na I prynu drink i nhw. Os dwi'n gweld rhywun yn steddfod neu be bynnag, na I prynu drink. To the value of £3.50. Dim byd rytach. So. Neu can o bir Marietti. So mae fyny chi, really, byd ych isio. So. Basically, dwi yn chwarae amdan paint and favour yn steddfod. Cos dwi'n math yna fwy. Oce, iawn? Iawn. Gwch chi paint yn steddfod. Paint steddfod. Be bynnag ydy paint rata yn y steddfod. O pob dwi'n abod yn cael un. Os dwi'n mynd gweld chi'n steddfod, a dwi'n gweld chi mewn pub yn rwla, gwch chi'ch paint rata yn y pub yna. Dwi'n meddwl hwnna'n reit hael, rwan. So...
I think we're waiting for you, player 1.
Taw. Iawn, let's go. So... Just i fi ddod yn siŵr, de. Clip this. Emrys Promise, iawn. Os dwi'n cael £1 million, de. Paint ata yn pa bynnag pub dwi'n golchi ar y pryd. Mae'n reit simple, yndi.
Boot.
Okay. An attractive man might be known as a dream. Huh? A dream boat, yeah? Yeah.
Of course it is. You've got 100 quid.
Chris and Monster Doctor.
Have a look at this. It's worth £200.
Go through there.
Which type of meat is also a word meaning to keep on complaining? Pork. Mince. Beef. Venison.
Eh? Huh? Type of...
Don't forget, you've still got all
Beef? Os efo beef efo rhywun? Diolch am clipio na'r Craig. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Mae'n amser rili da I clipio fo, cos... What type of meat is also... Mince your words. I've got... Beef. Mince your words, are there? Beef, have you got beef with me? Have you got beef with me? Fel Andy. Do you have beef?
It's correct, you've got 200 quid.
Yes, man.
Now, here's question number 3 for £300. In relation to the weather, what does the word overcast mean? Sunny, Rainy, cloudy, windy.
Chris.
Let's see. Cloudy.
Well done, you've got £300.
Os dwi'n neud yn shit yn hwn, coesau rwy'n jumpio'r disgod a neud o iddo fi fyd, by the way.
Have a look at it. With which sport are brothers Jack and Bobby Charlton most associated?
Hawdd.
Cricket,
Hawdd.
tennis, football, golf.
C, Chris. Football.
So you think the right answer is C. Are you sure?
Yes, Chris. Yes, Chris. I'm sure. Yes?
You're right, you've got £500. Now, the next question guarantees you £1,000 if you give me a correct answer. Have a look at this. What was the first name of the singer Garfunkel? Ben, Art, Rod, Dan.
That's B, Chris. That's art.
If this answer is correct, you're guaranteed to leave here with at least £1,000. Well done, it is the right
No.
answer.
Fod i'r unig fatha character
That's
model.
£1,000 in the bag guaranteed, but let's try and double that with the next question. You might as well play this, you've got nothing
Might
to
as
lose.
well, nothing to lose.
Guaranteed 1,000.
Nothing to lose.
What was the name of the TV fox whose catchphrase was BOOM! BOOM!
What?
Basil Brush, Benny Sweeper, Bernard Bristles, Barry Broom.
A, Chris. Basil Brush.
So you're saying it's A?
Next don't work like that. Had Oedd nhw back in the day. Dwi'n cofio gwrdd nhw fi. fel 'a.
Just won £2,000.
Dwi'n edrych yn dda back in the day oedd.
You're doing brilliantly.
Do, oedd
You
y
got
boom boom na fi.
£2,000, but take a look at this next question for 4,000. What is the name of the doll Barbie's boyfriend? Rob, Tim,
C, Ken, Chris.
are you happy with your answer?
Ynddo. Mae'n mynd i gofyn i fi wan.
Congratulations, you've
All of
just
the
won
above.
£4,000.
Gael beth i'n tynnu awgrymu. You're strong position, 3 lifelines, £4,000.
Okay, going on. Question 8 coming up for £8,000. Take your time on this, you don't have to play. Here it comes. Where in the body is the duodenum? Intestine.
Eh? Fuck. Eh? Duodenum. Mae'n swnio fatha eardrum. Duodenum. Eardrum.
So this question's for £8,000. You don't have to play this. Just be aware that a wrong answer would cost you.
Duo, dau, two, duo, dwe.
I'm not sure, Chris, but I'm gonna go for C, ear.
Duo, yeah.
So you think the right answer is C. Are you sure?
Yes, Chris.
I'd love to say you've just won £8,000, but I'm afraid you haven't. I'm so sorry. It's the wrong answer. Well, you won yourself £1,000, and that's certainly not to be sniffed at. £1,000 guaranteed. I'm really sorry you didn't make it further, but well done. You have done very well. Maybe you'll do even better next time you play Who Wants to Be a Millionaire?
Det var check vi. Iawn, un go arall, test run. Test run o hwnna, oedd hwnna'n test run. Test run. Dwi'n ddim yn cyfri. Test run. Rwan mae o. Okay. Iawn, last run, hwn ydi o, hwn di'r un iawn.
Right, here we go.
Ti'n gofio ddeitha chi'n y test run yn y dweitha? Hwn.
3 lifelines, 50-50, phone a friend and ask the audience. I hope you're ready for this. Here comes your first question. It's worth £100. Complete the saying. It takes two to...
Croeso rwy'n helpu fi os ydych chi ond please pwydwch y cheatio.
Rock and roll. Samba.
Takes two to...
Tango.
Because tango.
Well done, nice and easy. You've got £100. Here's question 2. It's worth £200. Which of these is an animal? Hamming, lemming, skimming, drumming.
Lemming?
It's correct, you've got 200 quid.
That's our game. She's hollol beisio na'r game.
Now, here's question number 3 for £300. Which of these is the name of a small bird? Wagtail, wagtop, wagtoe, wagtum.
What the fuck? Wagtail, yeah.
You're absolutely right for £300.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Question 4 of 15 coming up. You're doing fine. Take it.
In and hand
Have a look at this for £500. Which of these is the name of a US state capital?
Oh, easy. Easy.
Phoenix, pheasant, partridge, ptarmigan.
Oh, Phoenix.
Because Phoenix. Phoenix, Arizona.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
You're right, you've got £500.
Diolch yn fawr, Chris.
Right, just be careful. This is the last point.
Pobl go iawn sy'n cefn ddo.
With absolutely nothing. You are now 11 questions away from £1 million. This is worth £1,000. Here it comes.
Let's see.
What is the name for an ornamental building with no practical use? Folly, tomfoolery, idiocy, silliness.
Folly, yeah? Folly.
No politics in the chat, please. No politics.
Folly, yeah? Chris?
Well done, you just guaranteed yourself £1,000.
Iawn, cymryd hwnna ddifri. Cymryd hwnna ddifri.
So, congratulations, you're now guaranteed £1,000 no matter what happens. Okay, going on. Question 6 is for £2,000.
Folly Farm. Oh, yeah, Folly Farm.
Which of these is a type of
Oh my god,
hairstyle?
damn it. Oh my god.
Minnow, mud skipper, mullet, mackerel.
I think my dad used to have this back in the 80s, Chris. It's C, mullet.
So you think the right answer is C. Are you sure?
So, just fucking it. Give me the money.
Congratulations, it's the right answer. You've got £2,000.
Metal Gear was training for this question and hostile. We're gonna be military adeg. Cos o'n i'n
We're
dlawd
now
with
just
military
9
gwallt.
questions away from £1 million and starting to look at some of the bigger jumps. But remember, the drops are pretty steep as well.
Mackerel style coming back this year.
£4,000. Which of these is an almanac of astrological predictions? Old Possum, Old Vic, Old Trafford, Old Moor.
D? Dwi'n dweud.
You've still got all 3 lifelines left.
Yeah.
50-50.
Ydw i'n iwsio phone a friend? Phone a friend. Hwna di'r thing dwi'n meddwl amdan Greg Patrick Moore. Dwi'n meddwl Old Trafford, a dwi'n theatr di Old Vic, de. Old Trafford, cael ffwtsbol. Phone a friend. Dwi'n neud phone a friend.
You want to use your phone a friend lifeline? Okay. Let's get them on the line now, but you don't have to take the answer they give.
I would like to phone Dol Badan, please.
Hello?
Hello, Bill. This is Chris Tarrant from Who Wants to Be a Millionaire?
Hi, Chris.
We've reached a fairly tricky question. Now, your friend needs you to help them to go beyond £4,000.
I will do my utmost.
Okay, we've got the question.
Dwi'n cael gofyn iddo fo.
You've got the correct answer. Which of these is an almanac of astrological predictions? Old Possum, Old Vic, Old Trafford, Old Moor.
Oh, I remember a while back people trying to sell you these little magazines in the streets. I think they were called Old Moor's Almanac.
Okay, Bill, that's great. Thank you very much. Thanks for helping out. Now,
I am
Bill's
bro.
gone with D. It's entirely your decision. You can go with Bill or you can choose a completely different answer.
I'll go with Bill. D. Old Moor.
You're saying D. Okay. You happy to go orange?
As orange as your face tag.
You've just won £4,000.
Yes! Dyle wedi gamblo fan'na dda. Dyle wedi gamblo a mynd amdani.
The next question takes you past the halfway mark for the 15 correct answers you need for £1 million. Good luck. Here it comes for £8,000. With which TV show is the line, "The truth is out there," associated? Stargate SG-1, Star Trek, Doctor Who, The X-Files.
Being a bit of a sci-fi nut, Chris, I'm going to choose The X-Files.
Are you confident?
Yes.
You had 4.
I want to believe
You could have
Emrys.
walked away. You didn't. You've now got £8,000. You'll win £16,000 if you give me the correct answer to the next question.
Life-changing money, man.
Take a look at it.
Life-changing money.
Which palace is the official London home of the Primate of all England?
The fuck?
St James's, Kensington, Lambeth, Buckingham.
Huh? London home of all of the primate. The monkeys, the primates. All England. Dwi'n meddwl bod Buckingham yn rhy obvious. Ie, be mae'n mwyta amdan?
You've still got 2 lifelines, 50-50 and ask the audience.
Ie, primate fel... Ie, dwi'n meddwl bod yn primate oedd yn ifel, dwi'n meddwl. So be? Ask the audience, ask the audience.
Okay, right, you've chosen to ask the audience. Audience, get ready please, let's try and help. Fingers on keypad. Answer A, B, C or D, please now.
For fuck's sake, be di numbers yna?
Well, there's a definite leader there. So it's up to you entirely. What do you think?
Dwi'n mynd efo'r audience.
I'm not sure, Chris, but I'm gonna trust the audience on this one. I'm gonna go see Lambeth.
Okay, you're going for C. Are you happy?
No, not really, Chris, not really.
Well done, you've just won £16,000.
Life-changing amount of money. Life-changing.
Now you've got £16,000. You can obviously take that money and walk away. You might as well have a look at the next question. Take your time. It's question number 10. If you do decide to play it and give me the right answer, it's worth 30.
Os dwi'n mynd gwybod ateb fyddai'n cyrraedd i ffwr hefyd, de. Dwi'n mynd i cario mai chwarae hwn tan dwi'n cael miliwn.
Is a variety of spaniel.
Cockle.
Wellington, Jack Russell, Gordon, Plumber.
Jack Russell? Jack Russell yn Spaniel? Dwi'n gwybod cwns nhw. Dwi eisiau dweud Jack Russell, ie. Cos dwi'n mynd gwybod lleill.
You might as well play this. You've got nothing to lose.
Oes? Gen i things to lose, oes? Gordon Spaniel. Oce, nawn ni reid... messenger. $50-50.
Okay, you want to go 50-50? Use your lifeline. Computer, take away
50-50.
2 wrong answers, please. Leaving the right answer and the one remaining wrong answer. So that's left you with C and D.
Di Gordon yma'n iawn, ia. Clumber. Ddim am Clumber.
Are you happy it's not C? You did have £16,000 in your hand. You've now got £32,000.
Life-changing amount of money. Alla i mynd ar teulu am holiday, wan. Talu mortgage off. Sbio'r check na. Neb i need Photoshop or check that, please. Check fi hwnna. Press fi hwnna. Neb cymryd screenshots, please. Diolch yn fawr. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Dim lifelines ar ôl.
Now, whatever happens, I'll be writing you out a cheque for at least £32,000.
Life-changing.
But
Life-changing.
we don't want to give you that. We want to write you out a cheque.
Si'n hoffi hynna? Ei, dyna ti iawn.
The next
Ti di
question
joinio ni ar
is
amser really tense.
£4,000. It's a chance to double your money. You're guaranteed 32,000, and you might as well play. Here it comes.
O, paid o sôn am yr effonded si.
Wales, known as Prinny,
Then-
became which king? Edward VII, George IV, Edward VIII, Charles II.
Prinny. Dyma'n Charles II ydy.
You don't have to play this, but if you do give me a correct answer, you are guaranteed to walk away with at least £32,000.
Meddwl hwnna. Prinny. Prince of Wales known as Prinny, King which king?
You don't have to play this, but if you do give me a correct answer, you are guaranteed to walk away with at least £32,000.
No politics, please, no man. No politics.
Un o hein nath, Un o hein nath... Ie. Dyma den.
Dyma dan, dwi'n cytuno efo chdi, ond dwi'n yn helpful iawn.
Ni si. O'n i... Meddylia Blackadder. Ystod Blackadder fan George. Dyma'n Charles. No way fydd o'n Charles II. Efo fucking Cromwell and shit. No way. Un o hyn gath gadael de. Cos oedd yn mynd allan yn American divorced, ie?
You don't have to play this, but if you do give me a correct
Blackadder
answer,
di
you
George.
are guaranteed to walk away with at least £32,000.
Greg, dwi'n cymryd hint Blackadder chdi.
You think it's B? Are you happy with that answer?
Ynddo.
You had £32,000 in your hand. Not anymore. You've now got 64,000.
Yes! Sbia hwnna. Sbia hwnna. Look at that check. Life-changing. Life-changing. Oh, shit, a gwynaf fi dechrau mynd y win efo'r stress. Efo'r stress mae gyd.
It's worth £125,000. Now you're guaranteed to walk away with at least £32,000. That's safe. You could leave now, though, with the £64,000 you've got at this moment. You don't have to play this next question. Take your time. You might as well have a look at it. You are just 4 questions away from £1 million. Here it comes. It's worth £125,000. Which of these European countries is not landlocked?
Oh, come on, let's go. Let's go.
Switzerland,
Landlocked.
Poland, Hungary,
Landlocked.
Luxembourg.
Landlocked. Poland. That's...
Easy, Chris. That's Poland. That's Poland. B, Poland.
You think it's B? Are you happy with that answer?
I know it's B.
Come on.
Oh, you could have walked away with 60.
Get rid of the check.
It was in your hand. But you were right not to. You've just won
Fuck 'em.
£125,000.
My quality check them are awful.
You have £125,000. Now, you now have question 13 of 15 coming up. Take your time. It's worth £250,000 if you can give me the right answer. Good luck. Here it comes. In art, a
Fucking bear.
is a picture of what? Cherub. Crucifixion. Horse. Flowers.
Puto. Dim ond hynny point who wants to be millionaire, ie, dyl fod yn. Dwi'n deud hwnna, ie. Dwi'n deud hwnna. Putting Jesus on the cross. The logic of it. You put Jesus on the cross. Da. So, ti'n putio ddim byd... Ti'n putting person on a horse, ond ti'n mynd... The horse mynd ar y person. Ie, ti'n dweud, you put flowers in a vase, ond flowers mynd i de. Alli di reid flowers in the ground hefyd ydw i. Neu fi di... Dydy fe hanner syniad o fanna. O'n i'n meddwl cherub achos pobl yn dweud put yn Gymraeg. Ydw i'n gamblo? Ydw i walk away? Do I walk away? Ta dwi'n mynd am cherub? Ta be? Good point o fanna. There might be flowers growing near a pitch and putting got yeah. Hefyd mae gennych chdi put that horse in the stable is. Mae na can yn y Cherub Rock yn Smashing Pumpkins. Put that on the radio. Cherub Rock on the radio. Jesus on the cross. Putting Jesus on the cross. Putting the horse in the stable. So there may be flowers growing near a pitch and the putting golf course there. I like big putters and I cannot lie. Be di cherub? Sy'n yn handi fi wybod. Be di cherub?
Take your time, think carefully about this one. A wrong answer would cost you £93,000.
Babi ydi pwtog o iawn. Babi angel. O, sbio'r pwto bach y fanna. Sbio'r pwto bach. Cherub. I'm going cherub.
So you're saying it's A.
Oh, for fuck's
Are you confident?
Mae pwto'n gair rhy neis I fod yn crucifixion. Ti eisiau gair mwy harsh?
You had £125,000 in your hand. You didn't have to play that last question. You could have walked away.
I'm going.
Now got a quarter of a...
Yes! Yes!
I can't believe you've done this. Oh, fuck. I can't believe you've done this.
Fuck! Make believe money, man. Oh my god. Good problem solving in the chat, so fanna. Good problem solving. Come on, John, let's go.
Right, here we go. This next question is worth £500,000. £500,000. Have a look. This is question number 14.
Fireproof.
15. It's worth
Fireproof. Bulletproof, ti'n fod i ddweud, ie.
£500,000. Take as long as you
Dydsi.
need. Here it comes.
Good call, dydsi.
Which material does
2 plus
cord
2 equals
weiner
5.
work with? Wood,
Cord.
rubber,
Rope.
rope.
Rope. Cord, there. Cord. As in, fucking... Rope. Rope. Cord, there. Gynna chi... Trwsus corduroy. Mae'n edrych yn really stringy. Gynna chi... Cord... Ffôn. I wane rope because I'm a cord wainer. Rope there. Are you going to put us in? Ta, ydyn nhw'n gwybod o'n i'n mynd i fel yn y rope oherwydd y cord? Dwi'n mynd rope. Mae logic fi'n bulletproof yndi. Cord a rope, ie. Dyma leather na di. Carpenter. Di hwnna de. A carpenter works with...
Take as long
Wood.
as you need at this moment. This is for half
A leather worker
You've got 250
works with leather.
You could play for 500,000.
Robin Williams
A wrong answer
plays with
cost
rubber
you
and flubber.
£218,000. That's an awful
And
lot of money to lose.
Union beth dwi'n feddwl, mae'n teimlo rhy hawdd. Mae'n teimlo rhy hawdd. Ond ydy o rhy hawdd, cos doedd ni'n uffernol o glefar, ddo. A i ni sy'n uffernol o glefar. So doedd ni'n aman hynna nwan. Na rop. Mae gorfod y rop yndi. Dim yn wood na di, a dim yn leather na di. Mae rubber just yn weird yndi. Rope. It's got to be rope.
I'm gonna go secret rope because there's cord in the word.
Are you happy with your answer?
Yeah, electrical cord. A be mae electrical cord yn edrych fatha? Mae'n edrych fatha rope yndi. Dyma rubber. Pam sy'n fy rubber?
Well, you've just risked an awful lot of money on this question. You're very brave. You had £250,000 and you could have walked away.
Fi lot o debt.
I'm afraid it's the wrong...
Be?
You've just lost £218,000. £32,000 you're taking away. Well done. A lot of money. And you have earned it. Congratulations. Please come back soon and try for even more money on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire.
Leather! Fucking Google hwnna. Dwi'n fucking Google hwnna. Dwi... A cord wainer is a shoemaker who makes new shoes from new leather. A cobbler, dyna, ie. Michael Shoemaker. Un arall, de. Go Prosecco na, de. Un arall, de. Os dwi'n cael £1,000,000, de. Prosecco. Prosecco I pawb. Pawb yn cael Prosecco. So dod oedd pateli bach na Prosecco. Tio, it's gonna be... Ti'n neud? Sort of. Ges i'n neud e fyna. Ges i'n ffocin neud e fyna. Iawn, oce. Pam ma hwnna fel o? What?
No politics. No politics.
Iawn. Oce, da ni ar website Waitrose yn dan. Ideal. Hwna fel o. Oce. Booze. Dwi'n ddewis un peth o fyma i ni cael. Oes, yn Millionaire Bridge. Waitrose dwi'n siopio. Dwi'n Waitrose shopper. Iawn, oce. Be mae pobl isio? Be mae pobl isio at y praise? Fucking ddryd. Be gawn ni? Peroni. Hon. Oh my god, Dwayne, you've got expensive taste. That's very expensive. Be di'r champagne chata sy'n na? Low. To high. Oce. Os dwi'n ennill, de, £1 million, de, dwi'n teitio pawb yn y chat, de, i un botel o hwn. Hwn, da ni'n cwffio amdan. 11, o na, siap hwnna'n 30, ne, no, digon. Hwna, 75. 75 CL, de. Waitrose, champagne, botel o champagne. Un, ia? Un botel, ia? Un botel. Un botel. Na. 750... Iawn. Oce, ta. Choice. Os da chi fod fel e, ia? Choice, iawn. Either un botel o champagne I rhannu, de? Yeah, dim splashbacks.
Dim splashbacks in the bottles, gwelwch yn dda.
De? Neu, de? Fucking grim. Low to high, de? Hwna. Dwi'n meddwl ti'n cael yfad bws ar Twitch. Dwi'n meddwl bod erbyn TOS. Ti'n be? Dwi'n gallu neud Paul. Paul. Manage Paul. Create a new Paul. Price, question mark. Oh, okay. Dwi'n creu Paul. Mae'n bwysig gyda ni'n gwybod beth ni'n cwffio amdan. O'n i'n gwybod champagne mor rhad yna. Glasio. Oce, gwych chi munud i... Dwi wedi gwneud Paul. Be ydych chi eisiau praise? Bottle o champagne to boxed wine. Dwi'n mynd i fod to boxed wine. So... Ooh. 75-25 i boxed wine. Looks like it's going to be a boxed wine day. Ooh. Dwi'n bob ddwt ond dwi'n meddwl. Boxed wine takes it. Hwna'n edrych yn fucking grim. Boxed wine. Woo! Boxed wine i rhannu. Mwy o booze i pob. So, okay. Da ni'n gwybod wan. Da ni'n gwybod beth ni'n cwffio amdano wan. We've got it. We've got it in the bag wan. Okay. Os ydych chi'n helpu fi, please pwydwch chi cheatio. Neu some... Mae'n mynd y game boring. Mae Iberton... Dydyn ni dyna?
Right, here we go. 15 questions, £1 million, 3 lifelines, 50-50, phone a friend and ask the audience. I hope you're ready for this. Here comes your first question. It's worth £100. Which of these is an athletics event?
Grassy wine! Grassy wine!
Quadruple jump.
Okay.
Single jump. Triple jump.
Iawn, okay. Eyes on the prize, wan. Da ni'n cwffio... Da ni'n chwarae am box o win. So beth dwi am wneud ydi, os dwi'n neud box o win ma, fydd o wastad gyda fi am blwyddyn cyfa. So os ydych chi'n gweld fi, bach o... Iawn, okay. Which of these is an athletic event?
B. Triple jump.
It's good. You've got £100.
So beth dwi'n know whisky?
Take a look at this for £200. Somebody wealthy is often described as filthy, prosperous, loaded, rich, affluent. You've still got all 3 lifelines.
Hey, diolch am y cheer, dod ti. Dwi ar y... Ar y telescope heddiw. Calm it down. Okay. Let's go. Somebody wealthy is often described as filthy rich.
C. Rich.
Oh shit.
Right, so far so good. Take a look at this for 300 quid.
Thanks, Chris.
With which part of the body would you kiss? Mouth. Nose.
Mouth.
Ear. Chin.
Their mouth really weird under.
I kiss my mother on the mouth with my mouth kiss. A mouth.
You're absolutely right for £300.
Just sits there, nod and bluffers. No, it's an Eskimo.
Right, you're 12 questions away from $1 million.
That's my more helpful of our quiz, man.
Take your time, have a look at it. In which of these places might you find a barge? Airport.
Nah,
Railway.
nah.
Canal.
Yes.
Road.
Canal. I think continue. Canal. Canal, yeah? Please continue over here.
C. Canal.
Okay, you're going for C. Are you
Canal for the win. Let's go.
You're right, you've got £500. Okay, have a look. You're just one question away from your first milestone. It's for a guaranteed £1,000. Here it comes. Which of these British coastal towns is also the name of a
Ooh.
pub group? Minehead, Portishead, Peterhead, Gateshead.
Portishead.
You seem pretty sure. You're right to be sure. You've just won
So
£1,000.
we're going on pop group place there. Bit of a dance electronic. We've been here before, Chris.
That's £1,000 in the bag guaranteed, but let's try and double that with the next question. You might as well play this. You've got nothing to lose. You're guaranteed £1,000.
Rosie and Jim, yeah.
£1,000.
Rosie and Jim.
The short form of which name goes with clever to describe a know-all? Thomas, Richard, William, Matthew.
Clever. Richard. Clever Dick. Ah.
Are you happy?
I'm back. Clever Dick in the chat on us.
Clever. Yeah.
You have
Clever
£1,000
Cogs.
guaranteed.
Clever
You've now
Cogs.
got £2,000.
Clever Cogs be David.
You're doing brilliantly. You got £2,000, but take a look at this next question for £4,000.
Good though, så kan vi just det. Good though.
Which part of the body is affected by anemia? Hair, blood,
Oh, fucking
skin,
Craig.
nails.
Will Smith, yeah? Yeah. Anemia, do you think gwallt, yeah? Oh, nah. Oh, please, iawn. Yeah. Easy mistake to make. Pob. Gwaed di hwn. Gwaed. Anemia. Anemic.
All right, take your time. You've still got all
Iawn.
three lifelines.
Dwi'n mynd
You've
efo
still got 50-50.
Mae dol badan os dwi'n reid
Ask
peth
you.
efo hwn. Oh, okay.
So you're saying B.
Mae pob, apparently mae pob yn fucking doctors in the chat, so let's go. Blood.
You had £2,000. You just doubled it to £4,000.
That's it. Da chi really eisiau chanu bocs o gwyd. Da chi mae cael bocs o gwyd yr un? Chanu bocs. Just nid yn glir.
Okay, going on. Question 8 coming up for £8,000. Take your time on this. You don't have to play. Here it comes.
I don't have to play.
In Shakespeare's play, what was the name of Hamlet's mother?
Fuck.
Gertrude, Hermione, Imogen, Bianca.
Hermione yn Harry Potter. Bianca yn EastEnders. Imogen yn Big Brother, Imogen Thomas. Gertrude? Gertrude? Ddim am Gertrude?
So this question's for £8,000. You don't have to play this. Just be aware that a wrong answer would cost you £3,000 of the £4,000 you got at this
Dwi'n
moment.
meddwl to be and not to be, mam. Ryan, dwi'n teimlo phone a friend, ie? Iawn, phone a friend.
Okay, you want to phone a friend. Now let's call
Miss
them, but
Hamlet's
remember,
mum
you
ar ôl y
don't have to
divorce.
go along with what they say.
Dwi'n meddwl na adio.
Hello.
Oh, hello! Hello!
From Who Wants to Be a Millionaire?
Hello, Chris.
Oh, mae'n swnio...
We're halfway to £1 million.
Mae'n swnio fatha mae'n
Your
gwybod
friend now
Shakespeare.
really needs your help to propel them into the serious money.
Right, I'm ready to help, Chris.
Right, Jane, here's the question plus 4 potential answers. We only want one of them. In Shakespeare's play, what was the name of Hamlet's mother? Gertrude.
Gertrude, dwi'n meddwl, dio.
Imogen. Bianca.
I should know this because it's a play I was in when I was at school. I was Ophelia. Hamlet's mother is called Gertrude.
Oh my god!
Jane, thank you very much. Okay, well, Jane says A, but you don't have to go along with her suggestion.
Oes... Ydy...
A. Gertrude.
So you think it's A?
Hey. Yeah, really specific memory, yeah. What about then? Hermione?
Oh, I'd love to say you just won £8,000. And I can! You
Fucking hell, Chris!
£1,000.
Satia? Fucking shocker. Cos oedd o'n teimlo'n iawn, dyma dan oedd o'n teimlo'n. I've done a few plays in my time.
Okay, keep going if you want to. Here's question 9. You're doing really well.
Dwi'n,
If you play and get it wrong, you'll drop
thespian.
£7,000. If you play and get it right, you'll double your money to £16,000.
let's go.
Who starred opposite Barbara Streisand in the 1976 film A Star?
Na, to, o brawd dwi'n, o'n i ddim.
Ryan O'Neill, Chris Christopherson, Omar Sharif, Robert Redford.
B. That's a B. It's a B. Na, kijk, dwi'n meddwl fos yn reid y mental breakdown sy'n bobl. Sbeth gada na. Mae'n blincio ddo.
Take your time, you've still got 2 lifelines. Now you could go 50-50 or you could ask the audience.
Chris Christopherson sy'n... Cos amdan musician mae'n yna. Ie, dwi'n meddwl o Robert Redford, ti'n meddwl? Have to...
Okay, right, this is your lifeline. You've made a choice to ask the audience. Audience, if you would please, put your fingers on your keypads. Let's try and help out. Answer A, B, C or D, please, now.
Na fo, eto.
Well, there's a definite leader there. So it's up to you entirely. What do you think?
Mae definite right na di. Chris mae Patrick yn gwneud quizzes am... Be ti'n meddwl mae Chris Tarrant yn neud heddiw? Heno? Rwan hyn, be ti'n meddwl mae Chris Tarrant yn neud? O'n i'n
You
gwybod
think
hwnna
it's B. Are you happy with that answer?
Ydw. Watchad Emrys Hopod.
You've just won £16,000.
£16,000! O, yndi, mae'n neud thing trends i Channel 5, yndi? Sian hofio hwnna.
Right, you've got £16,000. Now, you can take that 16,000, but you're just 6 questions away from £1 million.
Dwi'n synnu sa ddim fatha stories am fatha Me Too amdano fo de.
Guaranteed £32,000. Have a look at it. Good luck.
Let's go, okay. Agenad.
Where is the Scottish football club St Mirren based? Dunfermline, Dundee,
Dwi'n mynd Dundee.
Paisley, Perth.
Dwi'n mynd Dunfermline. CND. Dwi'n meddwl na tîm Dunfermline.
Take your time, take as long as you need. Don't forget you've still got your 50-50 lifeline if you want it.
St Mirren. Ddim yn Dunfermline de. Lifeline.
Okay, you want to go 50-50? Use your lifeline. Computer, take away 2 wrong answers, please, leaving the right answer and the 1 remaining wrong answer. So, is it A or C?
Fuck! Dwi'n mynd i bannu'r bot ma. Not now, spam! Not now! Block. Ro. Plick. Plick. Pan dwi'n methu... O, ban. Yay! Band. Dwi'n mynd am C. Band. Dydyn Dunfermline. It's a fod I Paisley. Rheswm dwi... Mae yna tîm yn Dunfermline.
You might as well play this. You've got nothing to lose.
The real viewers, followers and primes are the friends. But it's a fod I Paisley.
You might as well play this. You've got nothing to lose. Are you sure it's not A?
Nah.
Oh, well done. You've just won.
Yes! Dwi'n gwybod chydig bach am Scottish football. Dwi wedi bod o fama blaen. I'll check 32 grand fi. Let's go. Oh shit. Okay, pressure on. Dim lifelines are all on.
You've got £32,000 guaranteed. It's in the bag. No one can take that away from you at this point.
Thank you.
Now,
Thank
the
you,
next question is worth £64,000. You might as well play this. You can't lose. Take your time. It's becoming very big money.
Win or lose, we're on the booze.
What was the name of the 1970s tight-fitting trousers flared from the knees? Loons. Strides. Trues. Bags.
Eh? Flares on. Yeah, flares, dwi eisiau dweud.
Bags di bags. Stride, taking strides. Loons, that loony. That's it, it's a cwestiwn. Yr ateb ydi flares. Dwi'n cytuno efo chdi. Sy'n ddim clem. Tight fitting trousers. Flared from the knees. Dyma bags na di. Dyma'n stride. Mae stride yn teimlo fatha rhywbeth fatha ta athlete yn gwisgo. Loons. Ein dwi'n meddwl. Loons? Yr un trowsus fel y Beatles. Dwi'n dychmygu. Bee Gees. Loons. What kind of trousers are you gonna wear out tonight? I'm gonna wear loons. What kind of trousers are you gonna wear tonight? I'm gonna wear some strides. Hey, are you going out tonight? What kind of trousers are you gonna wear? Oh, I'm gonna wear my new pair of trousers. Hey, you're going out tonight? What kind of trousers are you wearing? Oh, I'm just gonna wear my new bags. I thought all bad on it. I'm gonna wear my flares. We have any tools.
Okay, you're going for C. Are you happy?
No. Just Winnie the Poet. Tools.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
You had £32,000. You still got £32,000. I'm afraid it's the wrong answer. Oh, you were so unlucky. I really thought you were going to go all the way. Still, £32,000.
True sis, yeah, true sis.
You leave us a winner in every respect. Congratulations. And I do hope to see you again winning a lot more next time on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire.
Why are we still here? Why are we still here? Just to suffer every night.
Game of fucking shit. Yo. Yeah, dwi'n myth i neud yna allan. I needed a win, yma. O'n i angen win. Iawn. Dwi'n meddwl da'n goffan stream fi o'n chydig gwan. New plan, sos yma. Dol, Tetris a Dennis angen win. So mae i ti fi'n gadael chdi dod yn ôl ar, cos dwi'n charismatic. Dwi'n charming. Iawn. Dwi ddim yn dechrau Metal Gear Solid 3 tan dwi'n cael £1,000,000 ar hwn. Dwi'n Jump King. Oh my god, beth siarad fi'n Jump King. Beth siarad fi'n... So dwi'n neud un run arall ar hwn. Dwi'n neud un go arall ar hwn. Dwyd for the Vine. Un go arall. Ia, un go arall. So dwi'n dal yma. Cos dwi'n stopio chwarae hwn ar ôl hynno. Dwi'n mysio dod nôl i gêm yma. Last chance. Mae gen i 6... Gwyf i ddau check 32 grand yn y... Wel, gwyf i ddau check 32 grand. So. Iawn, da ni'n mynd i neud o. Dau bocs o wien, rwan. Double or nothing. 2 bocs o wien. Un gwyn a un coch. £1,000,000. Silly Billy.
It's good. You've got £100.
Chris, you're a silly boy.
Have a look at this. It's worth £200.
2 bocs o wien, rwan.
Something that fails can be said to have gone down the... what? Underground.
Fflio to hein.
Subway. Metro.
Be? Down the train, yeah. Down the tube, yeah. Down the tube. Dal fy sticker.
It's good for £200.
Yn dod o bydda, dwi dal fy sticker.
Ond iawn dangos o.
Right, so far so good. Take a look at this for 300 quid.
Dim hwn di glasio ddech.
According to the saying, blood is thicker than what? Treacle. Soup.
How are you there, Treacle? Are you doing fine, Treacle? How are you, Treacle? Water.
Well done, you've got £300. Now, you've got 300 quid, but you could still go away with nothing. I'm sure you won't, and I hope you don't, but have a look
Diolch
at
yn Chris.
£500.
O, Craig. Sadio yma pethau fel hynny'n afiach. Scum, Craig. A scum.
FBI, IBM, BBC, KGB.
Oh my god, Cage. BBC.
Okay, you're going for C. Are you happy?
Yes. Yes.
You're right, you've got £500. Right, just be careful. This is the last point at which you could go away with absolutely nothing. You are now 11 questions away from £1 million. This is worth £1,000. Here it comes. What is the name of the building that is the seat of the US Congress? Odeon, Capitol, Palladium, American Dome.
No politics in the chats, please. No politics.
You seem pretty sure. You're right to be sure. You've just won.
I follow American politics from afar. American Dome. Really good feeling, one. Good feeling am I ran yma.
That's £1,000 in the bag guaranteed, but let's try and double that with
From
the
the
next question.
bushes.
You might as well play this. You've got nothing to lose.
Nothing
You're
to
guaranteed
lose,
1,000.
just my
This
pride.
one is for £2,000. Judge Jules is the name of a famous what?
DJ.
MP,
DJ.
MEP,
DJ.
QC, DJ.
DJ.
It's one of my favourites. It's DJ.
You're saying D. Okay. You happy to go orange? You've just won £2,000. Okay, now it's getting rather serious. The money
Serious money. Life-changing money.
You've got £2,000. You're 9 questions away from £1 million. This question is worth £4,000.
Dwi'n rhoi gold £4,000.
Which actor starred in the film Elmer Gantry?
What the fuck?
Burt Lincoln, Burt Liverpool, Burt Leicester, Burt Lancaster.
Burt Lancaster, eh? Mae'n actor yndi. Burt Lancaster. Allet ti rhywun confirmio fo? Yeah.
You're saying D. Okay. You happy to go orange?
Going orange. Just like your tan, Chris.
You had £2,000. You just doubled it to £4,000.
The Scottish water. I drink the Scottish water.
The next question takes you past the halfway mark for the 15 correct answers you need for £1 million. Good luck. Here it comes for £8,000. Which pop star wrote the autobiography True? Simon Le Bon, Midge Ure, Phil Oakey, Martin Kemp.
Where?
So this question's for £8,000. You don't have to play this. Just be aware that a right answer would cost you £3,000 of the £4,000 you got.
Midge, just Ultravox, Spandau Ballet, Oakley and Thing there, a band o'r 80s, dwi'n cofio beth enw. T'be, phone a friend. Get it done.
You want to use your phone a friend lifeline? Okay.
Yes, please.
Let's get them on the line now, but you don't have to take the answer they give.
Thank you. Martin Kemp, Corey, yeah.
Hello?
Hello, Sarah.
Hello,
This is Chris
Sarah.
Tarrant from Who Wants to Be a Millionaire?
Hello, Mr. Tarrant.
Terrence.
Well, we're halfway to £1 million, but your friend now really needs your help to propel them into the serious money.
I can only do my best.
Now, here comes the question, Sarah. Choose the right answer for your friend. Which pop star wrote the autobiography True? Simon Le Bon, Midge Ure, Phil Oakey, Martin Kemp.
I'm sure Martin Kemp was in that group, Spandau Ballet, so it would make sense that he would call his book after one of their hits.
Oh,
But I'm not certain.
okay.
Sarah, thank you very much. Thanks for your help. You can
Not
go
certain,
with
though.
Choice D, or you can make your own mind up.
Martin, yndi, dwi'n meddwl yndi. Mae'n angen recordio bob ffôn a friend. Dwi'n meddwl os yw'n dros 32k, dwi'n mynd reid yr atab i chdi, mae'n just yn... Martin Kemp.
Final answer?
Yes.
Oh, I'd love to say you just won £8,000. And I can! You
Fucking hell, Chris Tarrant!
£1,000!
Fuck, ti'n neud? Fucking shock you, man.
Okay, keep going if you want to. Here's question 9. You're
If I
doing
want
really
to.
well. If you play and get it wrong...
I can't be bob tro fo hwnna.
£1,000. If you play and get it right, you'll double your money to £16,000.
Mae'n expressive face fo yn dal fi allan bob tro.
What does a farrier fit in the course of his work? Fur coats,
Farrier.
horseshoes, toupees, false teeth.
Horseshoes. 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 What about then?
So
Horseshoes.
you're saying B.
Yes.
You had £8,000. You didn't have to play. You did. It was the right answer. You've just won £16,000.
Gefillt. Farrier.
Right, you've got £16,000. Now you can take that £16,000,
And
but
shove it up your
you're
ass.
6 questions away from £1 million.
Shove it up your
The next
ass.
question, if you go for it and you get it right, is worth a guaranteed £32,000. Have a look at it. Good luck. Which Teletubby has a triangular shape on its head? Dipsy, Poe, Lala, Tinky Winky.
Po oedd yr un coch bach? Tinky Winky oedd o, ia? Da chi'n hollol convinced a Tinky Winky sydd? Tinky Winky, Dipsy, La La,
You've still got 2 lifelines.
Po.
You could go 50-50 or you could ask
Tinky
the
Winky
audience.
oedd yr un mwyaf. O cilch. La La Curly. Di, da i'n mynd Tinky Winky. Ydw i angen chwarae Lifeline?
You might as well play this. You've got nothing to lose.
Teletubby expert, ia. Dwi'm yn gwybod. Sy'n eto byna. Tinky Winky, oce.
You're going for D.
Dwi'n mynd efo dydsi fe yma.
You did have £16,000 in your hand. You've now got £32,000.
Yes! Come on! Dwi'n mynd gweiddi. Siwm na rwy'n dos nesaf mewn dwi'n ffocin cael attacio yn y beth. Ti'n gwybod y Teletubbies yfyd, de? Oce, 32. Da ni efo 2 lifeline. Da ni'n rhoi cyrraedd fe yma efo 2 lifeline.
You've got £32,000 guaranteed. It's in the bag. No one can take that away from you at this point. Now, the next question is worth £64,000. You might as well play this. You can't lose. Take your time. It's becoming very big money.
Swn i'n mynd o'n lle yn gael yn Teletubby experts, de. Keep that behind locked doors, eh?
Atlantic, Pacific, Indian, Arctic.
Micro. Hwna di inkling fi. Micronesia. Pacific ni India, ie. B ni C. B dwi'n meddwl dio. 50-50.
You don't have to play this, but if you do give me a correct answer, you are guaranteed to walk away with at least £32,000. Okay, you want to go 50-50? Use your lifeline. Computer, take away 2 wrong answers, please. Leaving the right answer and the one remaining wrong answer.
Ah, B.
Well, that's left you with A or B to choose from.
Chris, I'm quite sure it's B, Pacific.
Are you sure it's not A?
No, I think it's B.
You had £32,000 in your hand. Not anymore. You've now got £64,000.
Oh. Look at that check. Look at that check. Ah, lifeline ar ôl. The pressure dwi'n reid ar y audience, fan.
Now, this next question is number 12 of 15. It's worth £125,000. Now, you're guaranteed to walk away with at least £32,000. That's safe. You could leave now, though, with the £64,000 you've got at this moment. You don't have to play this next question. Take your time.
No,
you might
my
as well
parents, the reads no.
You are just 4 questions away from £1 million. Here it comes. It's worth £125,000. The Gang of Four led the Cultural Revolution in which country? Soviet Union, UK, Cuba,
Soviet Union.
China.
Soviet Union. Soviet Union, yeah? Di hwnna di fucking Lenin a shit. Gang o ffordd. Soviet Union, dwi'n mynd. Dwi'n mynd, Soviet Union.
Are you absolutely sure?
Ynddo, Soviet Union.
Well, you had a check for 60.
Da, lle Cuba, ddo?
You didn't have to play this question. You did. You've just lost £30,000. I'm so sorry, that's the wrong answer.
Oh, China, sy'n cael wrong, anyway.
Well, you leave us £32,000 richer than you were just a few minutes ago, which is brilliant. I'm sure that you could go even further next time, so please come back soon and play Who Wants to Be a Millionaire?
Un arall. Dwi'n mynd tan 11. Ma o money, ma o problems. Tan 11, bod stream yn gorffen 11. Wel, dod i chdi fes yn gwybod hynna de. Chdi fes yn gwybod os ag gang o ffordd yn television. Iawn, 11, so mae gen i fi amser yn un arall. Un arall. Gen i fi 20 minutes. 3 box gwyn, fam. 3 box gwyn. Box gwyn gwyn. Box gwyn coch. Box o rose. 3 box gwyn, fam. Triple o quits. Last chance, man. Last chance.
Right, here we go. 15 questions, £1 million, 3 lifelines, 50-50, phone a
Did
friend,
you
and ask the
whiskey
audience.
me?
Hope you're ready for this. Here
3
comes your
bottle
first
of win.
question. It's worth £100.
Myna dros 6 litres o gwyn.
Which of these words is a nickname for a pound?
Quid.
Quid,
Quid.
grid,
Quid. Quid. Quid.
skid, slid.
Quid. Fflio to hyn, man. Fflio to hyn.
It's good, you've got £100.
Yna 3 box o win on the go, one.
Here's question 2. It's worth £200.
Welcome on, banks to yourself live with praise. Nah.
What
3
type of person
box.
might be described as lanky,
3 box.
short and thin, short and fat, tall and thin, tall and fat?
Huh? Short, or tall and thin. Lanky, yeah? Let's see, tall and thin.
It's good for £200.
Chi'n gymryd fi'n ysgol yn y chat,
You're doing
ma.
well, you're just
Ti'n rhoi
13
gwyn i chi.
questions away from a million.
Na chi literally
Look at this,
wedi cael 6
£300.
litres o gwyn gyda fi, dosodd. 6.75 litres o
Household
gwyn.
item was formerly called a wireless,
Radio.
television, iron, kettle.
Wireless kettle.
Well done, you've got £300.
Pobl go iawn sy'n tu ôl o.
Right, you're 12 questions away from a million. Now this one is worth £500. Take your time, have a look at it.
Take your time.
Which of these is a popular afternoon event?
Ooh.
Tea dance,
Huh?
coffee dance, juice dance.
Huh?
You've still got all 3 lifelines left. 50-50, phone a friend, and ask the audience.
Afternoon. Milk dance mae ffarmwrs yn neud. Dawn syforwyn laeth. Mae ffarmwrs yn neud. Fatha rallying farmers, dawn syforwyn laeth, sy'n dweud fanna. Dwi'n meddwl milk dance, dio. Milk dance.
Final answer? Well, you seem pretty confident, but I'm afraid it's...
Fuck!
I can't believe you've done that. I'm so sorry, that's the wrong answer. Oh, I am sorry, but you're leaving with absolutely nothing. Really tough luck. It just hasn't been your day, really, has it? Maybe next time on Who Wants to Be...
Yo, okay, let's go. Tid. Fucked it. Oh. Yo, gonna be 40 minutes, let's go. Check am dim byd. Pam safio hwnna? Let's go.
Right, here we go. Your
Go,
15
good feeling.
questions
Good
away
feeling,
from
man.
£1 million.
Good feeling, man.
Ready to play? Have a look at this for £100.
Let's go.
Which of these is another name for a rucksack? Faceplace, backpack,
Base place.
toe stow, foot put.
Backpack kiss. Let's go.
B. Backpack.
You've got 100. Here's question 2. It's worth 200.
Na, hwn ydy'r un ola. Hwn ydy'r un ola a 4 bocs gwyn. Na, 3 bocs gwyn a 1 botol champagne cheap na. 3 gwyn, coch, rosé, botol cheap o champagne. A hwn di last throw the dice. Law and order.
It's good for £200.
Account face place.
Now, here's question number 3.
Ti di gweld yr neud wedyn. Mae yna rhywun di ail creu MySpace. So hen MySpace. Mae yna rhywun di ail creu fo. Spacey neu math yna fo. Fuck off funny.
Regality.
Yo, okay. What's the percentage payment made to authors in each book sold? Royalty payments.
You've got £300. Right, question 4 of 15 coming up. You're doing fine. Take your time, have a look at this for £500. Jackie Stewart and James Hunt were world champions in which sport? Cycle racing, greyhound racing, horse racing, motor racing.
I'm a bit of a F1 fan, Chris, so I'm going to say D, motor racing.
Are you absolutely sure?
Yes, Chris.
Dodgems. That's it?
Correct, you've got 500 quid. Well done. Okay, have a look. You're just one question away from your first mark.
Whoa, do badan. Low blow fan adol badan.
£1,000.
Low blow.
Here it comes.
Never needs a football.
Which parts of the body are you
Hard
most
and
likely to
fair
mash?
racing.
Knees,
Gnash.
eyes, fingers, teeth.
Oh, Gnash. Teeth, yeah? Teeth. Gnash the teeth. There you go.
You seem pretty sure. You're
Pretty
right to be
sure,
sure.
pretty sure.
You've just won £1,000.
Craig, crazy well shaped him, sus behaviour, please.
Guaranteed £1,000 no
Gnash
matter
at
what
the
happens.
Dennis
Okay,
the
going
Menace.
on. Question 6 is for £2,000. Mike Gatting has captained England in which sport?
What?
Golf, cricket, gymnastics, tennis.
Cricket.
So
Cricket.
you're saying B.
That's in boy cricket.
Congratulations, it's the right answer. You've got £2,000.
Go. Let's go.
You're doing brilliantly. You got £2,000, but take a look at this next question for £4,000. Sao Paulo is the most populous city in which...
Brazil! Brazil!
Brazil,
Brazil!
Colombia, Paraguay.
Paraguay. Paraguay? Brazil.
So you're saying
B.
B.
Brazil.
Congratulations,
Should we have a
you
top-
just won £4,000.
We should be the top millionaire, top prizes.
Okay, going on.
It wasn't Sao
Question
Paulo,
8
was it?
coming up for £8,000. Take your time on this. You don't have to play. Here it comes.
Don't have to play. I play every day of my life.
Which Greek island is the setting for Captain Corelli's Mandarin? Kos, Corfu, Kefalonia, Crete.
Swim climb. Swim climb. Fawn. Consider fawn.
You want to use your phone a friend lifeline? Okay.
You didn't think to be
Let's
a
get them
story
online now, but you don't have to take the answer they give.
So there's only my laptop.
Hello?
Karen, hi. This is Chris Tarrant from Who Wants to Be a Millionaire?
Hi, Chris.
Hi, Chris.
Well, we're stuck on a question
Hi,
for
Chris.
£8,000 and your friend needs you to help them out, so no pressure.
Okay, I'm ready to go for it.
I'm ready to go for it.
No pressure. Don't be nervous, but it's all riding on your answer to this.
Are you laughing at me? I can't do impressions.
Setting
I can't do
for Captain
impressions.
Corelli's
Go start doing more.
Kos, Corfu, Kefalonia, Crete.
I loved this book when I read it, and now they've made a film of it. The island is Kefalonia. I've never been there. It's probably too quiet for me and me mate.
Hey, too quiet.
Thanks for the help.
Wait.
What's your choice?
Who did I see? Aye.
Are you happy with that?
Yes. Lads. Looking for a good time.
Congratulations, it's the right answer. You've just won £8,000.
Je mag wel gescoust friend weer en love your liver.
You'll win £16,000 if you give me the correct answer to the next question. It's number 9 of 15. Take a look at it. Here it comes.
Come on.
Where in the body is the cranial nerve?
Brain.
Elbow,
Yeah, brain.
knee, hand, head.
Head, yeah. Head. The head. Ideal.
Final answer?
The game Cranium Brothers. Cranium,
You
remember?
had £8,000. You didn't have to play. You did. It was the right answer. You've just won £16,000. Right, you've got £16,000. Now you can take that 16,000, but you're
Shove
just
it up
6
your ass.
questions away
Show me that
from
32K, mate.
£1 million. The next question, if you go for it and you get it right, is worth a guaranteed
Come on.
£32,000. Have a look at it. Good luck. Which of these artists had the first name Pablo?
Picasso.
Vermeer, Van Gogh,
Pablo Van Gogh.
Dali, Picasso.
Picasso.
You're going for D.
Yes.
Oh, well done. You've just won £32,000.
Yes. Ja, maar kost dat dan? Weird, maar.
Can I have the check in Welsh, please?
Well done. You've now got a guaranteed cheque for £32,000, at least £32,000. Now, you're now 5 questions away from 1 million. This next question is worth £64,000, and you might as well play this whatever. You can't lose the £32,000 you've already got. That's guaranteed. Have a look at it. Here it comes. It's question number 11 of 15. John of Gaunt was the son of which king? Richard I, Henry II, Edward III, George IV.
Eh? Richard neu Henry. Richard neu Henry ti'n dweud. Okay.
Okay, right, using up your lifeline. Ask the audience. Audience, if you're ready, please, let's try and help out. Fingers
C.
on keypad. Answer A, B, C, or D, please, now.
C.
Well, at the moment, C looks the favourite. So it's up to you entirely. What
Ti'n
do you...
gwybod hwnna dol badan? Fuck it. YOLO. YOLO.
Okay,
Do
you're
it.
going for C.
Do
Are
it
you
for the
happy?
vine. Doing it for the vine.
You had £32,000 in your hand. Not anymore. You've now got £64,000.
Let's go. Let's go.
Now, this next question is number 12 of 15. It's worth £125,000. Now, you're guaranteed to walk away with at least £32,000. That's safe. You could leave now, though, with the £64,000 you've got at this moment. You don't have to play this next question. Take your time. You might as well have a look at it. You are just 4 questions away from £1 million. Here it comes. It's worth £125,000. The town of Hastings is in which traditional English county? Sussex, Kent, Surrey, Essex.
Doe maar Essex aan de. Essex rechtgaande.
Take your time on this one. It's for a big £125,000 cheque. Serious money.
Jeremy Hastings yn prynu bara. Iawn, ond... NAB. Dim yn hwnna na di. Ydw i yn 50-50 efo?
Take your time, take as long as you need. And don't forget, you've still got your 50-50 lifeline if you want it. Okay, you want to go 50-50? Use your lifeline. Computer, take away 2 wrong answers, please. Leaving the right answer and the 1 remaining wrong answer.
Fuck's sakes.
That's left you with A or B to choose from.
This is 6. Jeremy and Jeremy have been to Hastings in Kent. Pas efo deud hynna, ia. Pam sa fo'n deud hynna, ia. Dwi'n dweud Paul. Siwr Welsh i Sussex ar hwylio, ond dwi'n fod yn Hastings, ddo. Dwi'n dweud Paul, os ydych chi atab y Paul. %. Hastings. Na di, Sussex. Sussex, iawn.
Are you sure the
No.
right answer's not B?
I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna go for it. YOLO, do it for the vine.
Oh, you could have walked away with £64,000. It was in your hand. But you were right not to. You've just won 120.
Oh, fuck. I can't believe you've done this.
Ydych chi stresio fi allan fan o'n, ydych chi stresio fi allan. Boy.
Now, you don't have to play this next question. It's entirely up to you. You've got £125,000 at this moment. But if you can give me the right answer, it's worth £250,000.
£250,000.
Take your time. You've got £125,000 at this moment, but it's worth £250,000. Here it comes.
Life-changing amount of money.
This was the last battle fought on English soil. Bosworth, Sedgemoor, Flodden, Marston Moor.
How many is that? Bosworth in 1485. So dwi'n mynd hwnna na di. Mae'n Civil War, oedd? Sut mae pobl yn gwybod fod Bosworth in 1485? Dyna'n common knowledge. Oedd y Civil War yn y 1600s, ddo? Dwi'n meddwl fod yn... So dwi'n mythyr fod yn A, hynna ydych chi'n deitha fi ond e? Dwi'n mythyr fod yn A na di. Pa un o hyn? Clem.
Take your time, think carefully about this one.
Flodden. Di Flodden ddim yn teimlo'n...
Cost you £93,000.
So. B rings a bell. Yeah, di Flodden. Fuck it. Do it for the vines.
Final answer.
Do it for the vine. B rings a bell.
You had £125,000 in your hand. You didn't have to play that last question. You could have walked away. You've now got £250,000.
Oh my god! Fake. Can we go into fake money?
Right, here we go. This next
Let's
question
go.
is worth £500,000, £500,000. Have a look. This is question number 14 of 15. It's worth £500,000. Take as long as you need. Here it comes.
Cwestiwn ar ôl.
What is a felucca?
Bara?
Fish.
Bara, ie?
Fruit. Flute. Boat.
O. Na, dim bara. Dim bara, di o. Dim bara, di o. Feluca. Flute rhy random. Feluca. Cymeryd yn Italian. Flute. A flute yn specific, yndi? Mae'n eerily specific. Dych main detective mynd symud allan fod o. Ydy? Wyt ti'n Google data? Be mae chat yn dweud yma, mam? Feluca. 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 Sa'ch chi'n mynd, what is? Sa'ch chi'n dweud, Feluca is a type. D.
You're saying D, okay.
D.
You happy to go orange?
Dach chi'n gwybod beth dwi'n mynd i wneud rwan? Mae gen i fi bwtwm yma, cos dwi'n Twitch affiliate, de. Mae gen i fi bwtwm yma i chydig ad. So dwi'n mynd i chydig ad rwan. Fatha ma'n nhw'n neud ar y sioe go iawn. So, gen i fi, yes, de. 60 second ad. Bang! Dwi'n mwyn gwybod faint o hir mae rad yn para ddo. Shit. O, di chwarae. Di 60 quid. Dwi'n chi gyd efo'ch ffocin anti-ffocin... Chi efo'ch ffocin anti-ffocin beth na. Mae'n rhedeg ad o'n de. Exposed. Mae chat yn exposed. Yes, Craig, di cael o. Bloody Rhediad. Let's go. Iawn. Craig, ydi... Ok, da ni'n 3 seconds, 2, 1, da ni'n ôl. Iawn, da ni'n mynd D yn dan. D.
You had £250,000. You didn't have to play this question. You decided you would. If you're wrong, you lose £218,000 of that money. You're not wrong. You've just won £500,000. Amazing. 500,000 quid.
Iawn. Dim help yn y cwestiwn yn hwyl yma. Ella. Na. Pwyd ydych chi'n tru?
Right, you now have a cheque for £500,000. But
Life-changing.
We don't want to give you that. We really do want to give you a cheque, and we could in just a minute for £1 million. You've answered 14 questions out of 14 correctly. It's time now for the 15th and final one. You don't have to play it.
Iawn.
£1 million if you can give me the right answer. Here it comes. What is made into a spitchcock to be fried or grilled?
What the fuck?
Poussin, lamb's kidney, eel, duck.
Neb helpu fi hwn. Dwi'n gael hwn yn hun. Cock. Penis. Male iar. Iar. That's a duck.
I'll just remind you again, you are putting an awful lot of money at risk if you do choose to play this question. £468,000.
An eel.
You don't have to play this
Edrych
question.
fatha cock.
You can walk away, but it is for £1 million.
Mae lamb's kidney weirdly specific. Spit. Cock. To be fried. What's made into to be fried or grilled? Lamb's kidney? No, ma dan, hynna dwi wedi clywed fod eels yn edrych fatha cock. Hynna dwi wedi clywed. Dwi'm yn gwybod. Ond, diolch yn fawr, Gws-Lims, am hynna. Lla'n dychmygu fydd y clip na. Dwi wedi lamb's kidney, ie. Cos, pam sy'n mynd i lam? Sy'n mynd i lam, sa? Os oes o'n ddim... Ie, dwi'n mwyn gwybod beth di pwsyn. Spit cock. Pwsyn. Pwsi. Lam, ie. Be fried. What is made into? Fried or grilled? The kidneys. Oh, hwnna di thing ti'n cael ffilmio, ie? A Putin. Dwi'n mynd am hwn. Dwi'n mynd am lamb's kidney.
I can't believe how tense this is becoming. Please take your time.
Diolch, Chris. Cock. O, lla, spit, choc. Spitting chocolate. No, no, dyna di. Dwi'n lamdio. Dwi'n meddwl bod o'n B. Oce, ti'n meddwl bod o'n... Pam sa pwsi... Dwi'n meddwl am sgydyn di, Duck. Dy be? Hwn, dwi'n meddwl beth di hwn. Oh my god. Dwi'n mynd A.
So you're saying it's A. Are you confident?
No. No. Hwnna'n good point gan Dudzy. If I was stuck, we would have heard about it. Yeah, hwnna'n good point. A lamb, cos na'n Cymru. Pussy and baby chicken. Dwi'n mynd o hwn.
So you're saying it's A. Are you confident?
Iawn, dwi'n mynd E.
You've just risked £468,000
Mad lad.
by giving me that answer. You didn't have to play it, but you wanted to try and win 1 million. I am so sorry, but that is not the right answer. Well, you leave us £32,000 richer than you were just a few minutes ago, which is brilliant. I'm sure that you could go even further next time, so please come back soon and play Who Wants to Be a Millionaire?
Yr eelcock, ie. Eelcock. Oedd o'n mor amlwg, eelcock. Oedd o'n fath cock. Mor amlwg. Oedd o'n mor amlwg. Na! Iawn. Dwi'n mynd i hwnna. Diolch yn fawr iawn am y bits ar gyfer yr wine fund. Diolch yn fawr, na'i wneud yn... Pan ydych chi'n ei stream nesaf chi neu talu fo'n ôl i chi. O, diolch yn fawr do. Iawn. Reach for the stars, and you'll reach the roof. Fuck. Diolch yn fawr iawn am y gift subs. Dwi'n seriously gutted. Dwi'n seriously gutted. Oedd hwnna'n... Ond ia. Reach for the stars, climb every mountain higher. Iawn. Iawn. Dwi yn dod yn ôl i hwnna. Rhaid ni cael 1 million rhyw dro. Rhaid ni cael 1 million rhyw dro. Dwi'n dal siarad, pan dwi'n Diolch yn fawr iawn. It's been a journey. It's been a journey. It's been a long day without you, my friend. But I see all about it. Can yna. Ti'n ma very apt, dwi'n. Diolch i pob. Sy'n bydd yn gwylio y daith yma. Dim drosodd. Di'r daith ddim drosodd. Da'n dod yn ôl, cael y 1 million na. Ywch wain am y subs. Pan ydych chi'n streamio nesaf, neu dal efo'n ôl. Ond ia, diolch i bob am ystod drosodd. A na i weld chi yn y stream nesaf. Dwi'n mynd i nôl biscuits. Na, dwi'n mynd i nôl fan. Ydw i heddiw yn mynd i bwysio'r bwtwm iawn i gael y sioe yma. Let's have a look. Ond ia, diolch yn fawr iawn. What could have been? What could have been? Fuck sex! Fucking hell! Fucking hell! Fuck! Fucking get fucked.